This crab cake is 20 out of 10. That's it. I have nothing else to describe how good this is. So before we begin, a lot of you guys have been asking why I don't talk in my videos. I think I mentioned that a few years back, but I'm going to talk about it today in this video, so stay tuned. So today we're making crab cake, one of my favorite things to eat. We have about 16 ounces of crab meat in here. So I am going to mix all of these spices, sauces in here so I don't break the crab meat too much. So first thing we'll be adding in here is this Dijon mustard. Okay, we're going to add that in this bowl. Next, we have some Worcestershire sauce. Pour that in here. And also we have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Pour that in. It's going to give it a nice citrusy flavor. I have some hot sauce. I want this to be spicy a little bit. So we adding hot sauce and pepper flakes, okay? I have 1 egg. Alrighty. Going to mix that. Here, I have about half a cup of mayo. I'm going to use half of it for now, just in case. If I need more, I can add more in there later. Mix that up. This is going to be so delicious, you guys. I love crab cake. Let me know down below if you guys like crab cake as well. So I'm going to pour all this in here, just like so. Now, to season, we have lots and lots of seasoning here. In here I have onion and garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning, ground black pepper, pepper flakes, and some chicken bouillon. I'm going to pour that in here. I'm going to add in some parsley. Here I have some shallots I'm going to add in. If you like green onions, you can add some in there as well. Next, we have a little bit of breadcrumb, about 1/4 cup. Going to pour that in and we're going to mix. Try not to over mix this because I don't know, I do like the lump crab in there. I don't want it to be like shredded chicken. So try your best not to over mix this. Now, when it comes to me making a video like this one, I'm not sure if you guys know, I do have 2 kids. They around a lot. I have one, she goes to school midday, and I have a 3-year-old. He's always with me. So it's kind of hard to make videos because he's always in the background talking or watching TV. So if you guys don't mind kids talking here and there in my videos, let me know so I can make videos like this for you. I have to add a little bit more breadcrumb. Okay, you want to make sure it's nice and firm. But yeah, if you guys don't mind having a little bit of noise in the background, let me know. If you have kids, you'll understand. So mix it up. And then we'll start forming our crab cake. It's looking good, looking good. All right, now we're going to form the crab cake. Now, how big you make it, it's up to you. But this is basically how you do it. You just pick it up, form like a ball, maybe a size of a baseball. Is that a baseball size? I don't know. But something like this, and then you're going to flatten it a bit, something like that, okay? You can make it as big as you want, but not too big because you do want the inside to kind of like get nice and warm because of course the crab is cooked already. So something like this should do. All right, place it right in here. Now, when making crab cake, it's good to buy quality crab. I know crab is kind of expensive, but to get the full experience of crab cake, you gotta have some good quality crab. So yeah, something like that. Make sure you have enough breadcrumbs in there. That's what's going to keep it together, okay? So it doesn't fall apart. I'm all done with the crab cake. Time to cook them. Come closer, come take a look. How beautiful. They're not supposed to be falling apart, okay? They're supposed to look something like this, all right? So now let's go cook them. Okay, so I have my skillet on medium-high heat. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter in there. I'll add the butter to the skillet while it's not too hot, okay? And then we're going to let this melt. So now we're going to add in the crab cake. They shouldn't take long to cook, so I'm going for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. And I'm gonna set a timer for 3 minutes, then we'll flip them over. The crab cake's looking amazing. I switched to a smaller spoon or spatula so I don't break them. Ooh, I'm going to flip over. All right. I'm going to give them a few more minutes, then we'll take them out. Time to remove them. Let me tell you, it smells amazing in here, okay? It smells so good in here. So let's carefully remove those. Kind of fragile. Place them in here. The crab cakes are ready. It's time to make the best sauce ever. Now, you can make this before you cook your crab cake or after. So I have a bowl here. I'm going to add some mayonnaise in here. Next, I have some Dijon mustard. Pour that in here. If you don't like mustard, just don't put it. Don't use it, you know. We have some Worcestershire sauce. I used to never know how to pronounce this word. Like, it's so difficult. Next, I have some garlic powder. You can add fresh garlic if you like. If you don't mind your breath smelling like fresh, like raw garlic. Also, I have some hot sauce. You already know because it's about to be spicy. Here we have some Creole seasoning, just a tad bit, maybe 1/4 teaspoon. We have a little bit of lemon juice, okay? Yes, ma'am. And I'm going to add a little bit of green onion in there. Not a lot, just a little bit. And last but not least, I'm going to be adding some lemon zest. I love the smell of lemon. It smells so good. Not even 1/4 teaspoon, just a little bit. I think that should do it, right? That should do it. Give it a mix. Once everything is nicely combined, it is done. And of course, I gotta taste it, so. Has some kick. It's spicy for sure, but it's really good. The lemon, you can really taste that. So let's plate our crab cake. When I tell you it smells like a 5-star restaurant up in here, I mean that, okay? It smells so good in here. My mouth is watering. So let's get on to trying this crab cake. Let me try it without the sauce first, and then we can try it with the sauce. So cheers. This crab cake is 20 out of 10. That's it. I have nothing else to describe how good this is, okay? I really outdid myself with this one. So let's give it a try. With the sauce, let's try it with the sauce. You hear that? Do you hear that crunch? The sauce definitely elevates the taste of this dish. Wow. Has a little bit of kick. Not too much. Perfect combo for this crab cake, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I did filming it for you guys. Let me know down below, what do you think about these type of videos where I'm talking, interacting with you guys? Also, leave a comment if you're going to try this out. Give it a like for me. Subscribe if you're new here so you don't miss out on these type of recipes. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.